Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial on text editors. So we'll be learning to be showing you some text editors that you can use to for web development. Okay, so but basically I will be using Visual Studio Code throughout the lesson. So in your browser you would have to type Visual Studio Code and then okay, as you see here. So I'm going to click on this link. Okay, and I'm going to open another tab and then search for let's do brackets or Notepad plus plus. So we'll do Notepad plus plus. Okay, so it's another text editor. Um, Visual Studio Code is very good because it has lots of packages and then extensions that comes with it, or that you can install within the Visual Studio Code and then make interesting things. So the next is brackets. So this Visual Studio Code and then click on the download. And then Notepad plus plus. I'll click on it. And then there's brackets. Okay, so we click on it. Okay, so let's search for Sublime. So Sublime Text Editor. Okay, so there's Sublime, and then there's brackets. So brackets, as at when this was being taught or recorded, I was using the version 1.04. So it gives you live preview in your browser. Okay, that's one interesting thing about brackets. Okay. So I was using 1.14 rather. Then there's Sublime, so download for Windows. Okay, so I'm using Windows. Okay, and then this Notepad plus plus. So I'm going to download for that's the Visual Studio Code, and then since I already have it downloaded, okay. So this is where mine is. Okay, so I'm just going to click on okay, just cancel it also. Okay, so if you see this Visual Studio Code, and I already have some code typed or some text yeah, some code types. Okay, you can see there are some icons here. Okay, the icons are done or shown because of this extension. So material icon themes. Okay, so you can click on this box like then. Okay, you can see you can also search for whatever extension that you want here. Okay, so material, I'm going to type material icon themes. Okay, so you can see what I have here. You can see the various icons, and then um, since I already have it, I don't need to uninstall. So yeah, so these are the icons for every programming language. Okay, so thank you, and then see you in the next lesson.